Hi, I'm Ashley Levizade.
I'm Samuel Walkoff.
And I'm Sean Gibson.
So the paper we're looking into is by Stanford researchers Yulun Wang and Michael Kaczynski, and their paper is called Deep Neural Networks Can Detect Sexual Orientation from Faces. So they created the study to support the prenatal hormone theory of sexuality and also draw attention to the potential dangers of machine learning towards the LGBTQ community.
Me and Krasinski scraped face images from dating sites and used Face++ and VGG Face to extract appropriate facial features. They used linear regression and took some measures to reduce overfitting. Their model performed better than humans. A replication study by a different group found opposing results, having a higher accuracy for women.
So this study received a lot of backlash from engineers, psychologists, and the queer community. Both engineers and psychologists are critical of their data collection methods because they're all self-report data not taken in a controlled environment, and skeptical that their model is able to distinguish between transient facial features and non-transient facial features, like grooming habits, camera angle, and head position. They also argue that accuracy is a poor metric since gay and lesbian people are a minority. If there's a 91% accuracy, that model could still misclassify 2/3 of the population or a significant portion of the population as straight when they're actually gay and still achieve that high accuracy. And it's also the prenatal hormone theory is widely disputed, and it's the basis of their research. The queer community has spoken out against this study because it's limited to white people in a certain age range, so it's not very representative. It's harmful to the safety and privacy of queer people, and it doesn't distinguish between sexual activity and sexual orientation.
Given the controversial nature of this work, we're presented with a host of ethical issues, but luckily, there is a series of ethical perspectives that we can take on these issues, the first of which being utilitarianism. Now, the utilitarian will likely speculate and weigh the consequences of the research in trying to determine the moral valence of it. The divine command theorist will likely fret over the validity of the research given its implications for homosexuality. The relativist and subjectivist will likely come to no single ethical perspective or conclusion given they don't believe any single one to be valid. Lastly, the Kantian will grapple with defining privacy and determining whether or not privacy was invaded in the first place.
Thank you.